Hello and welcome. So how do you create a Shopify Partner Store? It's going to be really quick, so just bear with me. Let's just go ahead and open the Shopify account here, and there's a few tips that I'd like to teach you guys here. So on the Shopify, you're going to go to apps, and you just basically click whatever dropshipping and partner stores you like to. But here, I like to click this one. Just click install. Just for the sake of the video, just follow throughout step by step, and so we won't have any trouble here. And once you're here, just click install, and that's how quick and easy it is. Let's just scroll this down. That's it. You click on this one and it'll activate as your backup store for drop shipping. Just wait for it to load here. It's really convenient and it's really easy to do, and just go ahead, log in and authorize. You just need to authorize this and you'll be up and going. So I hope this video is educational. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day. That's how quick it is.